Hey everyone, ever dreamed of making money in crypto without needing to be a trading expert? Well, what if I told you there's a way to copy the moves of successful traders and potentially earn big profits without having to know all the ins and outs of trading? Today, I'm going to reveal the secret of copy trading on Bybit. This is a method that allows everyday people, even beginners, to tap into the lucrative world of cryptocurrency trading. What is copy trading? So what exactly is copy trading? Well, copy trading is a strategy where you automatically copy the trades made by experienced traders. These experienced traders are often called lead traders or master traders. You don't need to make any trading decisions yourself. All the hard work is done by the expert, and you just follow their trades. Let me break it down with an example. Imagine you're following a professional trader who buys and sells Bitcoin. Whenever that trader buys Bitcoin, the system automatically copies that same trade for you. If they make a profit, you make a profit too, minus a small fee, which I'll talk about later. It's like letting someone who knows what they're doing handle your trading for you. Sounds great, right? But there are a few things you should know to make the most out of it. I'll walk you through everything, step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to get started. Why choose Bybit for copy trading? First, let's talk about the platform we'll use for copy trading. Bybit. Bybit is a well-known crypto exchange launched in 2018. It's been growing fast, with over 5 million registered users. What makes Bybit a good choice for copy trading? It's easy to use, even for beginners. They offer 24/7 cryptocurrency trading. There are over 100 crypto assets available for spot trading, buying and selling directly. They also have perpetual contracts, which are a type of derivative where there's no expiration date, meaning you can hold your positions indefinitely. Another great thing about Bybit is that they offer a test net, which is like a practice version of the platform. You can try out trading without risking any real money. This is perfect if you're completely new and want to see how everything works before committing your funds. How does copy trading work on Bybit? Now for the exciting part, how to actually start copy trading. It's super simple. Here's what you need to do. 1. Create a Bybit account. If you don't already have an account, head over to Bybit and sign up. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you register through that link, you'll get a bonus when you sign up. 2. Deposit funds. You'll need to fund your account to start trading. The minimum amount you need to begin copy trading on Bybit is just $50. You can deposit crypto or fiat, regular money, through various payment methods. 3. Choose a master trader. This is the key part. You'll need to choose a lead trader to follow. Bybit divides these traders into 4 main categories. Traders with the highest profits. Traders with stable profits over time. Traders who lose less, low risk. Day traders, who open and close trades within a day. So for example, if you're someone who doesn't like taking too much risk, you might want to choose a trader from the low-risk group, where the focus is on avoiding big losses rather than chasing huge gains. Let's say you decide to follow Trader A. This trader has been consistently making around 10% profit every month, and their risk level matches what you're comfortable with. You simply hit the copy button on their profile, and the system will automatically replicate their trades for you. 4. Customize your settings. Before you start copying, you can adjust a few settings. Here's what you'll need to decide. How much do you want to invest? The minimum amount is $50, but some traders might have a higher minimum for their followers. What kind of trades do you want to copy? You'll have 2 options. 1. Copy open trades. This means you will follow the trades that the lead trader is currently working on. For example, if they have an open Bitcoin trade, you'll copy that. 2. Copy their bot strategy. Some lead traders use trading bots, which are automated programs that make trades based on preset rules. If you choose this option, you'll copy not just their current trades, but also the algorithm they're using to trade. What are perpetual contracts? You might have heard me mention perpetual contracts earlier. These are a type of derivative contract where there is no expiration date. In other words, you can hold these contracts for as long as you want. Their price is tied to the current market price of the asset, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you choose to copy a bot that uses perpetual contracts, it will automatically adjust to the market and trade based on that bot's strategy. Don't worry if this sounds complicated. You'll get the hang of it as you start trading. Confirming and starting your copy. Trading journey. Once you've chosen your master trader and set everything up, the next step is to confirm your settings. You'll need to accept the terms and conditions, which explain the profit-sharing system. What is profit sharing? When you make money through copy trading, you'll need to share a small portion of your profits with the lead trader. This is called the profit-sharing fee. For example, if the fee is 10% and you make $100 in profit, you'll pay $10 to the lead trader. The remaining $90 is yours, maximizing your success in copy trading. Now that you know the basic steps, let me share some insider tips to help you succeed. 1. Start small. If you're new, it's always a good idea to start with a small amount, like $50, $100. This way you can test the waters without risking too much. As you gain more confidence, you can increase your investment. 2. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead of following just one lead trader, consider spreading your investment across a few different traders with various strategies. For example, you might follow one trader who focuses on Bitcoin and another who trades Ethereum. This can help reduce risk and balance your portfolio. 3. Monitor your account regularly. Even though the system is doing the work for you, it's still important to check in on your account from time to time. Markets can change quickly, and while the trader you're copying might be doing well today, their strategy could underperform tomorrow. If you notice any major changes, you might want to stop copying a trader or switch to a different one. 4. Learn as you go. Even though copy trading takes the pressure off you to make decisions, it's still a great opportunity to learn. Pay attention to the strategies your lead trader is using. Ask yourself, why did they buy or sell at that point? Over time, this will help you become a better trader yourself. And who knows, maybe one day people will be copying your trades. Final thoughts. So, that's how copy trading works on Bybit. It's a fantastic way to get involved in crypto trading even if you're a complete beginner. Just remember, while copy trading can be a great way to earn money, there's always risk involved. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and strategies to help you succeed in the world of crypto trading. I've also included a detailed guide to copy trading in the description below, so be sure to check that out if you need more help getting started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!